Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on or off the edge panels, which is this, on your Samsung Galaxy A27. First I'll show you how to turn it off, then how to turn it on and customize it. So let's go to the settings, then we'll need to go to display, and we'll find edge panels. Now you can disable them, so it will just disappear, or enable, and now you can see from now on when I slide from the side, from this little sidebar displaying on the screen, when I slide towards the center, it will open that edge panel. And you can customize it by going to panels, and you can see I have only apps enabled, but if I enable weather additionally, and let's do maybe, let's do just that. Now I can hold on. Yeah, it works now. I can switch between them to see my weather and see my edge panel as well. I can also edit them. The apps can be edited, so I can just add more apps here. Let's do Gmail, let's do Google Chrome, and let's do Google, and maybe Instagram. And I'll remove the browser. Then let's go back. And now you can see this is what it's displayed like. I can now click on an app to open it just like that, or I can press and hold on an app and drag it, and I can drop it down on the bottom, so it will open on half of the screen, and the other half can be open with another app. Let's maybe do phone app. And as you can see, this is how it works. I can resize these windows. I can also click here to swap the places, or to save my pair of two apps at once to my home screen or apps edge panel. Now, one more thing is that you can take an app and display it in pop-up view. So when I put it in the center, it will show up as this kind of window. As you can see, this is how it works now, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.